Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off a good transition makeup look between the end of summer meets the beginning of fall. As you can see, I'm using at least 3 different palettes. So first I'm starting out with the Juvia Space Africaque palette, and I am using that orange color there. I forgot the name. And I am putting that right into my eyelid there, really getting that saturated and really introducing the eye to that orange color, um, just to kind of set the tone of how orange we want this thing to look. Next, then I'm going into the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette, and I am blending out that first orange color with the light summer color to blend out the harsh lines of that first orange and bringing that up into the eyebrow. Then I'm going in my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I am going in with a darker orange just to put that right in that crease, and that helps me know where to cut my crease and adds that extra depth. And now it's time to cut the crease. The same old, same old. It doesn't change, you guys. I'm going to do it this way until I find something new on YouTube to try to cut my crease. But, you know, we do it the same way. And we all know that after cutting the crease, then I'm going to clean off the um, surface there to make sure that it's a clean canvas for when I cut my crease. So it makes blending a lot easier. Of course, this is the part that I hate the most, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get the outcome that you want. And of course, I'm cutting my crease with my e.l.f. concealer. Um, that's my favorite concealer to cut my crease with thus far. Eventually, I'm going to try something new, but right now, we're going to go with what we know until I run out. And once I get that how I want it, we did go with a full cut crease this time. So now I'm going to close that back up with that first deep dark orange color in the BH Cosmetic palette. In this regard, y'all, my hair was wrapped. My intentions wasn't for it to say wrap until I finished the video. However, y'all know how it is, my relaxed sisters. Um, the wrap just never wants to stay, you know, it just be falling out, and I had mad like bobby pins, but it didn't want me to be great, but it is what it is. We carried on. And just to be sure to keep that orange right there on that outer V, because we don't want to bring it too far into the eyelid. Then next, I'm going to place the summer color from the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonder palette. No, I lied. The Violet Voss Essential palette, and we use terracotta. No, we use sand. Sorry, y'all. We use sand. And I placed that right beside that orange color, and I am just blending that out. And actually, we're moving faster than I anticipated. So now we're actually taking the gold in that Violet Voss palette and putting that on the inner corner of the lid to complete the cut crease. And you know that as you get closer to the top part of the cut crease, be sure to take your time because we worked hard on that cut crease. Then I go back into that orange color and I take a very thin brush to kind of go back over and outline that cut crease to make it deeper, to actually intensify the depth of that cut crease. It'll save your life. Even if you mess up, if you go back over with that, it makes it seem as if it never happened. Next, I'm going in and I'm drawing out my liner using my e.l.f. concealer again. And I'm using a Wet n Wild liner brush. And pretty much drawing out a liner just as I would do if I was using a liner as if I was doing a wing liner. The only difference is I'm doing it with concealer because we're going to actually have a colored liner. All right, once I have that all in, then I take that teal color in my Biege Take Me to Brazil palette, and that's what I use to have that colored liner. In the beginning, you are going to have to kind of go over it a few times to actually get that as pigmented as you want. But yeah. Overall, once I complete the eyeliner look, that completes the eye look. I do go and do my foundation off camera per use, and that completes this bye bye summer hello fall look. I hope you guys really enjoy. Please make sure you check out my other videos on IGTV or YouTube, and stay tuned for my next video because it is time to unleash the fall looks. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.